there is more overlap with investing and gaming than some people realize, or at least it's something that you can gamify. A big thing I personally do with my crazy crypto journey is gamification of it, right? I'm trying to increase my holdings. I expand on different fronts to increase my potential resource generation, right? I deploy my capital. I'm trying to get returns. I've been building a mining farm, and I am a huge gamer, especially in my younger days. It's how I spent a lot of my time. At one point, I was a semi-pro gamer, if you will. Today, we're going to be looking at a gaming cryptocurrency, and while it is newer, it just hit an all-time low, and yet it has a market cap of $250 million in 2 different trillion-dollar industries. My name is Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Let's dig into this. I was really excited to see Portal Gaming come across my desk, and thanks to them for making today's video possible. They want to be the next gen gaming platform and publisher. Key focus there, publisher. Publishers are huge. Publishers are platforms. Much like I really strive to invest in cryptocurrency platforms, right? They can be built upon decentralized applications, among many other things. This is not just a gaming platform. They don't just have one single game. They're not all built around just NFTs and gamifying, right? It's a publisher. There's a big upside there as far as I am concerned. A universal gaming coin. To be frank, it's something we've heard before, but this is something that has yet to be knocked out of the park and truly successful. Portal. And it's a good name. It sounds nerdy, gamey. I mean, Portal was a big game. And obviously it's not directly related to Portal, but I'm just trying to illustrate the simple overlap in branding that'll be quick to happen in gamers' heads. Portal is the native platform coin for the Portal platform. Portal acts as a nexus of Web3 games and gamers, providing game distribution and player simplicity for all. Again, another little one, maybe I'm digging too far. Nexus. That is the headquarter building for Protoss in StarCraft. In my initial research, this is something that really thrilled me. Recent news of a Dota 2 tournament. I'm a big Warcraft guy back in my day. I know Blizzard sucks now, true. But a custom game, a mod basically, as it would be called today, born out of that old game from like the year 2000, Mr. Ice Frog. Pluck it out, Dota 2, Steam, its own game now, huge. 500,000 people play this thing every hour of the day. My peak Dota period was around 2015. And Dota's been holding really strong since then. And the competition for players, gamers' attention has only heated up. They're hosting the Portal Dota 2 World Invitationals. 8 top-tier teams compete for a $100,000 prize pool. They've also brought on Rockstar Games co-founder Jamie King. He is now on with them as an advisor, working about 4 days a month on this Portal project with them. They've also brought in Russell Hanson, ex-CSO of Consensus, you know, the company behind MetaMask. That sounds like very good for cryptocurrency integration. They also brought in one of the bigger eSport organization CEOs, as well as the ex-head of business development from EA Games, Matt Dixon. I just hope that he's not like, hey, how about paid DLC? Okay, because I didn't forget that you guys let Command & Conquer, one of the best gaming series of all time, basically lay there and wither away. Nobody likes EA. That's why they've faded into oblivion, other than their one lasting success of FIFA. Why did you let SimCities go? That was an incredible strategy resource management game. A shame. But to bring it back towards the actual Portal and their Portalcoin, right? They have staking. Stakers gain VIP access to token pre-sales, NFT mints, and drops from the most hyped games. Right, you combine all of this, we see on-chain assets, gaming skins, hopefully game ownership, right? Putting power back into the hands of the people, the players. The fact that Steam could go and ban my account and I lose all the games I've ever bought. I don't really own them. I have access to them via an online platform. It's not good enough. Portal is boasting to be the all-access pass to Web3 gaming universe, right? Stake more, reach a higher score, reach elite reward tiers based on your score, aim for the top, and gain unparalleled access and opportunities. Staking is just one piece of the launchpad which supports and ignites the best of Web3 gaming. At a glance, it sounds cool to me. Simple enough, right? And if I already have the coin, why not get some returns on it? Why not get some rewards for it? So I've connected my wallet. I'll connect... X is such a stupid name. Connecting X. I think a lot of what Elon does is funny and whatever, but a lot of things are just stupid. Like, to be frank, like annoying. X is a terrible name. Like, at least Twitter is like a name and a thing. He chose a letter of the alphabet. It's irritating. So this is their staking platform. This is how you deposit. This is how you earn and whatever else. Let's look at the coin. Trading at $1.59 a coin. It just hit an all-time low 22 minutes ago. It has been tracked on CoinGecko for only a month or so, right? This is a newer cryptocurrency. Again, it's got about $250 million market cap. It's doing about 40 million in volume. Where is this coin being traded though? Okay, so let's break this out to 100 and then let's sort it by volume. We see already a Binance listing, and that's their biggest winner by far. What do I love though? That it's traded on a decentralized exchange. What do I not love? That it's an Ethereum token, so the gas fees will be absolutely atrocious. So let's trade into this. Let's check it out. So if I throw, watch how much this costs. It's just always ridiculous. So if I trade 0.1 ETH, and if I traded 0.01 or I've traded 1 or whatever, it wouldn't matter. The transaction fee is the transaction fee. I pay $20 to make this decentralized trade. They've made a couple changes and it's still not good enough. These Ethereum transaction fees are atrocious, right? We're paying the equivalent of ancient bank wire transfer fees. It's just not good enough. It's just not good enough. Crypto's supposed to be decentralized, borderless, fast, and cheap. So you saw that pop up, the trade went through. So now we've got our Portal coins. So let's go ahead and submit this. We'll just say, yeah, I'll trust you with all my coins. See you later, $8 of ETH. And ETH is not a coin that I just want to piss away on transaction fees. I think that we're going to see Ethereum go over $10,000 this cycle per coin. Oh, freaking awesome. Transaction failed. That's great. Or maybe it worked. I mean, it's giving me the deposit action. I don't see why that would have failed. These little notices that we get in this era are so annoying too. My problem is I'm like a old guy, but like of the internet era, right? So I'm not actually like, in my silver years quite yet. I'm entering them, it feels like. But I remember when you would just go to websites and they wouldn't bother you with pop-ups. I was here for the beginning of the internet. Sure, I was young and fumbling through it and barely understood what the hell was going on. But yeah, I was there, and the internet continues to get worse and worse. And that's why I'm such a big believer in Web3, because we need something to save us. Please. So it said that it failed. I can't use these coins. Let's do my old trick of the good old reset-a-roni. Okay, so I don't see the coins here. We click on withdrawal, we can see them here. Okay, cool. So now we have a stake balance of basically 206 portal coins. We can go over here and we can look at the leaderboard. I am ranked 6,088 with my 0 score, 0 everything. Looks like this is not updated yet. And we can kind of run through here and see when people joined, their ranking, and so forth. I mean, it's nice, simple gamification in a gaming coin. I like this. They should be gamifying essentially everything possible. Beyond just staking, you can run a node on their platform. So with their nodes, you can earn portal rewards daily. So you get portal rewards for network contribution, VIP access, NFTs, voting rights and stuff, everything you would expect there. So what's a founder node? It powers their infrastructure. First edition platform nodes earn portal, and it's something you have to apply for. Let's check it out. They call me VoskCoin, but not with a capital O. I'm once again VoskCoin. This is my wallet address. That's it. Okay. Thought it'd be a bit more involved. A key thing about those nodes is one of those nodes where you have to buy into the node, right? You have to purchase a node, not just purchasing coins to basically get that level of involvement. We've looked at some other things like that previously, but that's the gist on that. You can stake the portal like we've talked about to earn value from the foundation partners. Governance, vote and influence the future with the Portalcoin. Use Portal within games to buy and sell game items, power their marketplace utility token. Exclusive purchases only available with the Portalcoin, right? And then Portal utility. They're on Magic Eden as well. What is Magic Eden? It's an NFT marketplace. We've shown it before. Originally became popular on Solana, but they support multiple chains now. One thing I don't like about their project is how much they're already doing, how much they've got going on, and the fact that we don't see a full Portal tokenomic breakdown here right on the homepage. As far as transparency and cryptocurrency goes, I believe that should just absolutely be very clear and apparent. The private sale has come and gone. The community sale has come and gone, which they boast was the fastest selling pre-sale of 2023. There's obviously been the token launch and then also Portal ecosystem growth. I did not participate in these early sales. A key thing they're doing that many cryptocurrencies seem to not do for some weird reason is they are supporting and trying to build their community specifically with the developer point of view, right? Grants and funding for a game. You got a good game idea, you're partially there, you need more support, you need a platform, you need funding. Well, they say that they can help you with that and then work with you on the distribution to Web3 natives and mainstream players for those games. And then next, they're looking to support content creators and streamers and KOLs, which I love to see and hear about. Yes, that space is rapidly growing, but the support from some entities is still astonishingly low. This is something that really hits home for me in a lot of different categories, so I'm excited for this. I still need a lot more details and clarity on things like the tokenomics and the roadmap and the future and where are we going and what's happening along the way, distribution of tokens, unlock periods, everything. I want to see all that very clearly laid out for me in a transparent manner. I love to see these advisors and who they are and their relation to the project, but I also want to see and easily hear a lot more about the immediate team right behind this. So, hey, I'm Vosk. I encourage you to continue to do your own research on this and check it out. As always, you do whatever you do. I'm not here to push stuff on you other than push you face first into that subscribe button. Subscribe because we got 10 seconds to tell. She's our CGO, our Chief Gaming Officer here at the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Almost my little radio voice there right at the end. So I'll see you later. Thanks for tuning in.